Hello, amazing English learner. Today, you're going to learn something incredibly powerful. You're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. This skill will change everything about your speaking confidence. Because talking about your day is something you do every single day. It's practical, it's useful, and it's the foundation of real conversations. Here's something most English courses don't tell you. You don't need complex grammar to sound natural. You don't need fancy vocabulary. You just need simple phrases that native speakers use all the time. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you today. Think about it. When someone asks you, "How was your day?" what do you say? If you struggle to answer, you're not alone. Every English student faces this challenge. But after today's lesson, you'll have the confidence to speak about your entire day from morning to night. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. If you're ready to improve your English speaking skills, hit that like button right now. And subscribe to English Course Podcast for more practical lessons like this one. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's start with the morning. This is where your day begins. The first thing you need is simple present tense. This is your best friend for daily routines. Listen to these phrases. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up and brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. Notice something important here. These are all simple actions. Short sentences. Easy to remember. And this is exactly how native speakers talk about their routines. They keep it simple. You should too. Let me give you a complete morning example. Listen carefully. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a quick shower. After my shower, I get dressed. I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt. Then I go to the kitchen. I have breakfast. I eat toast and drink coffee. At 8 o'clock, I leave my house. See how natural that sounds? It's just simple sentences connected together. You can do this too. Now, here's your first practice tip. Talk about your morning routine out loud. Right now. Pause this video and say 3 sentences about your morning. Go ahead. This practice is crucial. Great job practicing. Now let's talk about the middle of your day. This is usually work, school, or your main activities. The same simple formula works here too. Present tense. Short sentences. Clear actions. Here are essential phrases for your day. I go to work. I arrive at the office. I start working. I have lunch. I talk to my colleagues. I finish work. I go home. These phrases are gold. Because you can use them every single day. Let me show you a complete example. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock. I turn on my computer and check my emails. I work on different projects. At 1 o'clock, I take a lunch break. I eat lunch with my coworkers. We talk about our weekend plans. After lunch, I continue working. I have some meetings in the afternoon. I finish work at 5:30. Notice the time expressions. At 9 o'clock. At 1 o'clock. In the afternoon. These little words make your speaking sound much more natural. Native speakers use time expressions all the time. You should use them too. Now, here's something really important. You don't need to describe every single detail. Just the main activities. Keep it simple. Keep it clear. That's the secret to natural English speaking. Let me give you another example for students. I go to school at 8:30. I have 4 classes today. My first class is math. It's a little difficult, but I try my best. At noon, I have lunch in the cafeteria. I eat with my friends. After lunch, I have 2 more classes. I finish school at 3 o'clock. Then I go to the library to study. Perfect. You're doing amazing. Now, if you're finding this lesson helpful, show some love. Hit that like button and leave a comment below. Tell me, what time do you wake up? I read every single comment, and I love hearing from you. Your engagement helps other English learners find this content too. Let's move to the evening. This is when you relax and wind down. The phrases here are just as simple. I get home. I have dinner. I watch TV. I read a book. I take a shower. I go to bed. Easy, right? Here's a full evening routine. I get home at 6 o'clock. I'm usually tired after work. First, I change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes. Then I prepare dinner. I cook something simple like pasta or chicken. I have dinner at 7. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I relax on the sofa. Sometimes I watch a movie. Sometimes I read a book. At 10:30, I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 11. Beautiful. Now you have the complete picture. Morning, afternoon, and evening. But here's where it gets even better. Let me teach you how to make your daily routine sound more interesting. You do this by adding small details. Instead of just saying, I have breakfast, you can say, I have breakfast with my family. Instead of, I go to work, try, I go to work by bus, or, I drive to work. These tiny additions make your English come alive. They make you sound more fluent. Let me show you. Compare these 2 versions. Version 1. I wake up. I have breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I sleep. That's boring, right? Now version 2. I wake up early because I love mornings. I have a big breakfast with fresh fruit. I go to work by subway. It takes 30 minutes. I come home tired but happy. I sleep well every night. See the difference? The second version has personality. It has details. And it's still using simple English. This is exactly how you should talk about your day. Add small details. Make it personal. Make it yours. Now, let me teach you some connecting words. These words make your speaking flow naturally. First, then, after that, later, finally. Listen to this example. First, I wake up and stretch. Then I make my bed. After that, I have breakfast. Later, I go to work. Finally, I come home and relax. These connecting words are like magic. They connect your sentences smoothly. Native speakers use them constantly. Start using them today and you'll sound more natural immediately. Remember, practice makes perfect. Here's another powerful tip. Use frequency words. Always, usually, sometimes, often, never. These words add richness to your descriptions. I always wake up early. I usually have coffee for breakfast. I sometimes work late. I often call my friends in the evening. I never skip breakfast. Practice time again. Create 5 sentences about your day using frequency words. Pause the video and try it now. This exercise will drastically improve your speaking ability. Don't skip this. Real improvement comes from real practice. Excellent work. You're almost there. Now let me give you the ultimate formula. This formula works every single time. Start with time. Add action. Include details. That's it. 7 o'clock, I wake up feeling refreshed. 9 o'clock, I start my work with a team meeting. 6 o'clock, I arrive home and hug my family. But here's something crucial. You need to practice speaking out loud. Reading is good. Listening is good. But speaking is essential. Tomorrow morning, talk about your routine in English. Speak to yourself. It might feel strange at first. Don't worry, every English student struggles with this at the beginning. But this simple change will drastically improve your English speaking confidence. Let me give you one final complete example. This brings everything together. My typical day starts at 6:30. I wake up and drink a glass of water. This is healthy and gives me energy. Then I exercise for 20 minutes. Just simple stretching. After exercising, I take a shower and get ready. I have a healthy breakfast with eggs and vegetables. At 8, I leave for work. I work from 9 to 5. During lunch, I usually eat a sandwich and take a short walk. It helps me stay focused. After work, I go to the supermarket twice a week. I buy groceries for my family. At home, I help prepare dinner. We eat together at 7. Family time is very important to me. After dinner, I help my kids with homework. Then I watch the news or read. I go to bed around 10:30 because I need good sleep. That's a perfect example. It has time expressions. It has details. It has personality. And it's all in simple English. You can do this too. Start today. Don't wait. Every day you practice, you get better. Now, here's my final request. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to English Course Podcast. Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Hit the like button to support this content. Leave a comment telling me about your daily routine. And share this video with your friends who are learning English. Together, we can help more people speak English confidently. Remember, talking about your day is a skill you'll use forever. Master this, and you'll be ready for real conversations. You've got this. Keep practicing. Keep improving. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!